Hello, YouTube. How are you? Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. Thanks for joining me today. An unbelievable day is happening in our midst here. So it is 11:34 at the time of the recording of this video. I went to the gym this morning. I got totally jacked. I'm now in shape. Thank you. 20 sessions later, I'm good to go. Just kidding. I worked the arms hard today. And I had time because I took today off, so I took time to hit the cardio. Oh my goodness, I hate cardio unless it's playing sports. I need to get into some sports, that's for sure. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to say what is going on with Misty. Wow. So have you guys seen it? Pretty incredible. Stay tuned at the end of this video. I'm going to reveal some of my channel stats for you, just so you know where your views are going. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in, and really, really appreciate you being here. So let's go take a look at Misty. Okay, so as you know, I am a Misty shareholder. I have about 100 and not about. I have 144 shares. So Mr. Micro Strategies, just a very small aspect of what they do. They're a 1% holder of Bitcoin, up 10% today. That's incredible. Almost $20. It's up at this time of day. Now this can change for sure, right? This could change, but I wanted to quickly make a video for you guys just to kind of go over that. Now, generally with yieldmax, they really kind of mess up. I'm using that word lightly, but they usually mess up and make their calls too close to the underlying price, and then we can't experience any of that upside. So I want to just share with you Misty right now. Misty, let's just refresh this bad boy right here, up 8.14%. That's huge. This never happens. This never happens. And I'm so happy it's happening today. So up 28.75. I want to go over with you what I plan on doing with this. I will say this, I'm not I say it with a smile on my face. I'm not happy that it's going up today because my Nvidia money didn't come in today. Um, from yieldmax. I mean, it's not yieldmax's fault, it's Questrade's fault. I bet you a lot of you are going through the same thing. You didn't get your funds right away. But I'm not happy it went up $2.22 so far because I want to buy more shares of Misty. And I would like to buy them cheaper, right? I'm still in that accumulation phase. So it's great though. I mean, I already have 144 shares, which was about halfway to where I wanted to go. So up $2.17 so far is fantastic. I mean, you can't really complain about that too too loudly. Too loudly. You can't complain about it too loudly. Whisper, whisper. So yeah, really good. Now, how did we experience this 8% upside? Let's go take a look at Yieldmax's website itself. I'll link it in the description below, as well as I'll pin it to the first comment if you want to take a look at it. Let me just zoom into this. I just touched the microphone, so usually when that happens, the recording stops. So it's still rolling. Woohoo! All right, so how are we able to experience an 8% upside? Like I said, Yieldmax usually messes up and they put their calls too close to the price of the underlining. But with this one, it's a Christmas miracle. You know what? Scratch that. It's a Canadian Thanksgiving miracle. They did not do it. Let's go through all of the stuff on the screen here. So we do have a synthetic option for a month from now, November the 15th, for $195. So if we take a look at Misty's price, I mean, we're already over that. That's good news for us. Let's make some money on that one. But I mean, that they're probably going to hold off on closing that. They're probably going to leave that for another couple of weeks, and hopefully that price keeps going up, right? What else do we have down here? I haven't actually looked at it too closely, so this could be a little raw, but October the 18th looks like we have a call here, 13,745 positions at $245. This is what I'm talking about. This is why we have an 8% upswing today. when Mr. is 10% up because the fund managers, whoever's running Misty, did a great job understanding that Bitcoin could have an upswing, and here it is. It's happening. So we got a lot of room right there. We have another call at 225 for next Friday, and I think we have one more at 210 for next Friday there as well. So you can see the different size positions here for each of these. 220, 210's the smallest, 225, and then 245 are the you know what? Actually, this 245 is that credit call spread. My bad. So that's also allowing us. So if we get over a certain number, that's going to make us money as well. Whenever you don't see the minus sign next to it here, that's the credit call spread. So we have two positions. Like I said, this is going to be a little raw. I didn't even look at it beforehand, but yeah. So we got 210 and 225, and then we have the credit call spread here of 245. Right. So that's going to leave some room for buffering. So let's clap it out. Silent clap for V4 Riddler. I don't want to hurt your ears. So silent clap here. I'm very excited about this. Woof. For the first time ever in yieldmax history. I feel they did an above and beyond job here. So congratulations, whoever you are that did this. Could have been AI, but congratulations, AI. I think that's really good. So the question is, the statement and the question is, I wanted to buy more shares of Misty, but is it going to be too expensive soon to buy? And it's definitely over top of my cost basis. My cost basis is at $25. And I was thinking, like, when's a good time to take profit? So I'm going to think about this over the weekend, but here's what I'm thinking about. If it gets to 35, maybe I will cut the profit I've made so far, which should be about $1,000 or $1,400. Uh, $10 times 144. So yeah, 1440. So maybe I'll take that profit and start building that third position. Or something came across my desk today, and perhaps it might be the best deal I've ever seen. Sorry, just tapping into my Leo right there from Wolf of Wall Street. You guys ever hear of Rocket Lab before? So I'm a big space person. I'm not that big of a space person, but when it comes to like sci-fi, but I really think that there's a lot of money to be made out there in the space world, right? So you got SpaceX, but then there's this other company called Rocket Lab who's doing good things, really good things. They are gaining contracts like crazy. 959, and I'm not really necessarily looking at the price of Rocket Lab, although in the last month it's gone up 43%, in the last 6 months it's gone up 148%. Wow. What I'm really looking at is potentially the options for Rocket Lab. I had a chance to go take a peek at the options for it, and if I took that 1044 and I brought it over here to Rocket Lab, I could write covered calls on Rocket Lab and put it 5 to 10% out of the money and still make $100 a month on a $900 investment, which is pretty darn good. So that is something that is in the frontal lobe over here, in the forefront of my brain, something I'm thinking about. What about you guys? When are you selling? Are you selling? Are you just going to sit there and take the income? Because, I mean, both of those are great options for sure. Here's my thing with Misty. I think that, and I just think, okay, I think that the dividend for Misty near the end of this month is going to be the biggest one they've ever put out, if not really close. I think it's going to be over $3 at this stage because of the action that we're seeing right here. And so if I was to sell, $1,000 worth of shares at $35, that would bring down my potential income for Misty. So the goal here is to accumulate shares, but I think it's important to take profit when you have profit sitting there in front of you. So that's something to think about. So yeah, there's your Misty talk. It's absolutely rocking and rolling today. Shot out of a cannon. Very excited. It's like It's like a Thanksgiving miracle over here. So definitely pumping up. I looked at my Quest Trade account and that was plus 3 something. And I was like, that can't be Nvidia. And here we are. It's Misty's doing most of that work for us. So congratulations, Misty holders. Are you a Misty holder? Are you a Mr. holder? Let us know in the chat below. Yeah, pretty amazing. Let's go to the personal stuff here. So I took a look at this cool website called Social Blade, and it kind of grades your YouTube channel or your Twitter handle. I don't know if it does your Instagram stuff, but here's my channel. You can see 182 uploads so far. I have 1,313. Hold on. Let's look at this thing here. Dashboard. Oh, 1,319. Thank you for that new subscriber who just joined. Subscribers and my views are 133,000 views so far. I did start this in December of last year, but I took a big break. And my grade is a B minus. I'll take that all day, right? If I was a B minus student in school, life was good. And my country rank, which I think is the coolest thing ever on this, is 3,421st out of all YouTubers in Canada. So without you guys, I wouldn't be there. My goal is to get to the top 2,000 before the end of this year. I don't know if it's possible. I actually have no idea how to get there. But I think by you subscribing, liking, commenting, and viewing these videos, we might be able to get there. So I just wanted to share that personal news with you. I really appreciate you being here. I want to do some shout outs here. There's, 5 or 6 people that comment on every video. Thank you so much to you. And if you're new here, thanks to you as well. I appreciate it. More the merrier. And going to go ahead and make this screen a little bigger because I'm going to go ahead and edit this video in the next half an hour here. I'm going to post it for 7 p.m. tonight so that I can watch it on the live reveal with you. I am driving to Ottawa. It's 5 hours away from here, so wish me luck. By the time we're watching this, I'll be there, and I'll be watching this live with you. But yeah, it's Canadian Thanksgiving weekend this weekend, so if you're Canadian watching this, happy Thanksgiving. If you're not, regardless of where you are, hug your family, cherish the moments with them, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, look right here. I'm going to post 2 of the new PLTY videos. Go ahead and click on those links and hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. This is Health and Wealth. My name is Mike. Have a great day. Bye for now.